4 punch-outs on the night. Hammered deep
goodness.
left field, way back, and it's a fair ball. That is a legit bomb by George Springer. His 13th on the year, 2-0 Houston.
Every once in a while, everything aligns itself perfectly, and that was just mano a mano. A good fastball from David Price. Springer absolutely annihilated this ball.
Greg Gibson, the home plate umpire, motioning to both players. And the Dodgers celebrating in their dugout.
That's into the right field corner. Robinson, nice catch for out number 1.
Well, I am a wizard from the future. Boom. I'm a real doctor.
If you had your walk-up music created, who would compose it and or sing it, and what kind of music would it be?
You know what? That's a good question.